Hey guys, it's Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about how the Topdesk Voice over IP Virtual Contact Center software is probably without question the best virtual contact center out there that has the best integration with Salesforce. Now, the way that all this came about was I was actually recently on a webinar with Topdesk doing a demo with a client. And the client asked about Salesforce.com CRM, and Topdesk basically said, we have, without question, and we can prove it, the best CRM integration with the best integration API with Salesforce.com in comparison to our competitors. Their competitors such as IE59, IE Nice and Contact, IE Genesis, and the list goes on and on and on. I thought that was a pretty bold claim, and so did the client on the demo. And the client asked, how can you back up those claims? And this is what I found out and what we both learned. What I did not know is that Topdesk actually consulted, or I guess the best way to put it is Salesforce.com was a very large part of Topdesk process when they decided to create an API to seamlessly integrate with Salesforce.com's CRM. The other thing that I did not know, which we were told on the demo, is that Salesforce.com actually owns a large majority of ownership or shares within Topdesk. So it is in their best interest for their CRM to integrate seamlessly with Topdesk, which they also part own. There you have it. That is I guess we could say a frill that none of the other carriers that I know of that specialize in voice over IP virtual contact center management software platforms actually have. So let's go down a little bit, and I'm going to actually show you guys a little bit of what the integration, features are between Salesforce.com CRM and Topdesk. So one of the big things that I've learned, because I've been on many demos with customers to look at this, is the quick setup and maintenance. As you can imagine, because Salesforce.com, development engineers work directly with Topdesk, and they actually worked on the APIs and the integration and things together, you could only assume, one could only assume that it would have seamless integration because the companies were basically almost kind of like, as we say, two peas in a pod, as the saying goes. So quick setup and maintenance is one thing that they brag about in all the demos and all of their deployments that I've seen. Salesforce offers a way for you to basically optimize and capture call logs seamlessly. So essentially the way that it would work is when you have calls that come in or out or missed calls with your Topdesk voice over IP platform, if you're using the Salesforce.com CRM integration, you would basically be able to capture all of that data and tag it and reference it or catalog it, should we say, properly within your Topdesk platform as well as within your Salesforce CRM. One of the biggest things that I have seen when I have worked with Topdesk is, and this is separate from their actual Salesforce CRM integration, is they have some of the best reporting out there. Not only do they have native live reporting, but they have something that's also in the works that's called Benchmark that soon is going to be able to let you also see your live and historic reporting in comparison with the market, with other companies that are taking inbound and outbound calls of similar volume in your same or like industry. So this with the Salesforce.com API and CRM integration that Topdesk offers in partnership with Salesforce you would be able to log that within your CRM as well. Let's go through some of the features here of the Topdesk for Salesforce features. Single sign-on. From the way that I have understood this and seen this in demos, you can actually just log into Topdesk and have access to basically a window into your Salesforce.com CRM as well without having to be logged into multiple things at once or taking up valuable screen space. Call disposition codes. I'm not actually sure what that is, but let's read it. Assign an outcome after each call has been handled to easily track of customer interactions. Okay, I know exactly what this is because we do a similar thing. Even though we don't use Salesforce.com, we do a similar thing within our CRM. So the way that I understand this is that you could be on a call within the Topdesk platform and you could take notes or create a next steps with this client or next steps with this opportunity or, customer service ticket or customer problem that you're working on, and it somehow be reflected from the call within TalkDesk into that client's account within the Salesforce CRM. Very powerful tool for accountability and being able to just track tasks and things like that. Click to call, or what I like to call in a lot of my other videos, click to dial. Everybody knows what that is. It's the ability where when you integrate Salesforce.com and TalkDesk together, your Salesforce.com, when your agents or yourself are using it within a, on your computer or whatever it may be, every number that you see that has an area code in front of it now becomes a clickable number, almost like a link. You click the number with your mouse, and then it basically asks you something like, would you like to make this call? You make the call, and then the call is being made through your Topdesk platform, but it is also still connected to your Salesforce.com CRM so that you can log data, and then, of course, the call log and things like that is tracked. Salesforce Automation: increase agent efficiency by configuring Topdesk to automatically initiate Salesforce events. I'm not actually sure what that actually is or what that does, so I guess that is a topic or a subject for us to tackle in a future video, and I'll probably be able to get somebody at Topdesk to actually do that video and cover that. Call recording: everybody knows what call recording is, but with the Topdesk platform integrated seamlessly with Salesforce.com, you would essentially have the ability to have calls recorded, and then once the call is ended, those calls can be automatically or manually associated and logged within your CRM to that particular individual or to that particular company within your CRM software that you're logging. Great, great, great thing for people that need this for accountability or for legal reasons if they need to be able to fall back on those recordings for whatever it may be for that particular client record in your Salesforce CRM. Last but not least, historic reporting. Track your call center's progress over time with over a dozen call center reports. Everybody knows that if you've got Salesforce as your CRM, you have a really awesome reporting, for yourself as well as your sales or customer service team or your agents or whatever it may be. But essentially what this does is it allows you to be able to merge or collect that data in your CRM along with your call history and things like that, call logs, whatever it may be, call activity, we'll say, and merge that together with your CRM activity and be able to get deeper, basically a deeper look at your company's overall productivity and analytics versus what you'd be able to get from just your voice over IP or virtual contact center software alone or your CRM software alone. You'd be able to get a combined look or a total look at all productivity and communications logs and analytics because you're basically putting it all together between your CRM and your voice over IP, software or contact center in this scenario. So anyways, that concludes, this video talking about why we believe that TalkDesk has the best CRM or API integration with Salesforce CRM. It's not simply because we think it does. It's because of the unique partnership that TalkDesk and Salesforce have. They're almost kind of one and the same, and both companies have kind of a vested interest in each other. So they have the ability as a complete team to be able to present what we believe and what we have seen through demos with many other carriers as the best overall Salesforce.com CRM integration with TalkDesk, a virtual contact center platform. So anyways, if you're watching this video and you're interested in TalkDesk and you would like to see a demo of what the Salesforce CRM integration with TalkDesk looks like in real time, give me a shout. I can get that coordinated and set up for you on your behalf. I can also pretty much typically get you better pricing for the solution that meets your needs with TalkDesk than you could if you went to TalkDesk directly. Also, TalkDesk does order trials of their software. So if you're interested in talking with somebody over there about a demo and then seeing if you can try the platform for free, for a short amount of time to see if it's actually a fit for your company, give me a shout. Prince Rich, your go-to guy for the best deals on business phone and internet service in the United States. I'll catch you again in the next video.